Given the function f of x equals 5 sine x minus 3, for x is in between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2, which of the following represents the inverse function and its domain and range? So before I even consider the inverse function, its domain and range, I need to find the domain and range of regular f of x. All right, so f of x is going to look like this. We have two numbers that make things different, 5 and negative 3. Negative 3 is a midline. So if I were to draw this, all right, I have a negative 3 for a midline. It's a sine, which means it's going to start right here. And since my amplitude is 5, it's going to go up here, go up 5. So you are negative 3, so going up 5 has me peak out at 2, then bottom out, and then come back up. So if it starts at negative 3, it's going to bottom out 5 units down, which means it bottoms out at negative 8. Okay. I also already know that my domain is that. So for f of x, my domain is going to be negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. And my range is going to be negative 8, positive 2. Now I have to find the actual inverse. So here's the function. F of x equals 5 sine x minus 3. I'm going to call f of x y to make life a little bit easier. 5 sine x minus 3. Step number 1, swap the x and the y. So x equals 5 sine y minus 3. Add 3 to both sides. X plus 3 equals 5 sine y. Divide everything by 5. Divide everything by 5. X plus 3 over 5 equals sine y. Whoa, why did I leave all that space? Well, in order to get sine all by itself, or y all by itself, I have to inverse sine both sides. Inverse sine both sides. So you cross out, and now I have sine inverse of x plus 3 over 5. Now, since y is all alone, I can call it f inverse of x. So now f inverse of x looks like this. Now, when you're given f of x and it has a domain of this and a range of that, swap them. So the domain is now that, and the range is now this. So the domain is going to be from negative 8 to 2. And the range is going to be from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. And after doing all that, it appears that our answer is A.